stage 10. So today we're going to multiply 2 digits by 1 digit in your earth, right? This is where you get to do math, how you do these things yourself, right? So that you don't have to learn your 11 to 12 times, 20 times table by table. That's not necessary, okay? So let's go. First, I will explain to you how this works. So let's see this example. This is 12 times 3. At this stage, we are no longer counting 12 in 3 places and then counting. Normally, what we do is to say we arrange this number in column. 12, we have tens here and units here, and then we multiply by the 3 units. Isn't that so? So you start from the unit when you are doing it on paper, right? 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 1, 3. The reason why you have to start from your right, the unit, is because in case you have more than 10, 10 units makes a 10. We have to carry that extra 10 to the 10, right? But if we want to do it in our head, we would have to start from the left instead of your right, okay? So let me show you so that you don't get confused. Let's see now. We have 23 times 3. Originally, you would say, oh, I'll arrange this in column, right? Because you don't want to count 23 in 3 places, right? So we say we have 23, and then we'll multiply it by 3. Okay, this is the tens, and this is the unit. This is column multiplication. So we pick 3 times 3, and say we have 9 units. Then we say 3 times 2, and say we have 6 tens. Okay, so what we are doing is because we have 23, which is 2 tens, right, and 3 units, would multiply the tens by our multiplier, which is 3, multiply the units also by our multiplier, which is 3. It's the answer here. So 2 tens times 3, 2 tens times 3 will give us what? 6 tens. Is that not so? So that's 6 tens is 60. And 3 units times 3 is 9. You see? Putting these together, that's when we have 69. This is how this thing works. So even if we have 6 digits, we are only multiplying each of these digits in each place by the multiplier. Okay? And that's how this works. But if we want to do it in our head, what do we have to do? Because we don't have a pen and a paper, and we have to answer so fast. Easy. So this is what we do. Same way, but now we are doing it in our head. I am multiplying 13 by 2. So I'll go 1 times 2, 2. 3 times 2, 6. My answer would be 26. You see that? So, first say it out to yourself. There is a way it helps your brain to capture it. So if I say 13 times 2, you say 13 times 2, then pick the digit one after the other. 1 times 2, 2. 3 times 2, 6. 26. Okay? The more you practice, the faster you'll become. So here we have 14 times 2. 1 times 2, 2. 4 times 2, 8. Your answer would be 28. 14 times 2. 1 times 2, 2. 4 times 2, it's 28. Right? Let's see another example. 20 times 4. 20 times 4. 20 times 4. 2 times 4, 8. 0 times 4 is 0. Our answer would be 80. You see how you get to do that in your head? Right? So, pick the digit one after the other, starting from your left, right? Because you're doing it in your head. Okay? So now you pick 20 times 40. Let's say we have 24 now times 2. You see, we are even going beyond the 2 times table, or the 20 times table. Okay, so 24 times 2, 24 times 2. What do? 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. So you have 48. This will also help you where you don't have to show workings, right? You can easily even scribble that in your book, right? So you have 24 times 2 gives us what? 48. Okay? So this time around, I'm not going to give you a quiz that you will fill because I want you to do it in your head. Okay? But I'm going to suggest numbers. I'm going to tell you some numbers. I'm going to tell you the table that I want you to practice using this method. So you can say it to anybody in the house, your brother, your sister, your mom, your cousin, your dad, anybody. Just tell them to ask you 2-digit number multiplied by a single digit and try to do it in your head. You are becoming a super pro. You're becoming you are going to be so good at it. Next class, I'm going to teach you more examples, because sometimes we may also have to carry in our head, right? Because we're super smart, we're super pro. I know you can do it. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye.